Alright, what's up guys? I'm at the Vandusen garden. This is for Bio 11, the field lab trip. So basically, I'm at Vandusen garden right now. What's up? And it's located in Vancouver, near Oak Street. And it's basically a garden. There's 3 different types of gardens inside. And there's a pond over there. And then I think like a maze or something over there, and then here I think it's just somewhere it goes into darkness. So we're just gonna look around, vlog. I'll talk about some of the species here. I did some research about it too. So yeah. So on our way here, we just passed through that corridor. We got some warm grass over here. So this species, I researched it. It's called sedum album. It's a type of grass that grows in between the rocks here, and it's usually found in northern Africa. So it's this type of grass here. Oh, just a bug. Okay, it's called sedum album, and it's a perennial grass. Okay, I think I just know this right now. Okay, and then we got different types of plants here. Alright, this one right here is called the bell heather plant. Pretty old school. You can see it all around here, like everywhere. And then there's also different signs here that showcases like which one, like what kind of it. You know, for example, this one, it says Darley Heath, named after the Heath family. And this one's the heather plant. So yeah, just different types of plants in general. Just looking through it. So we could just keep walking. Over here is just the grassy plains. There is water over here with little tadpoles over there. So yeah, this is. And then if we keep moving, let's just say we move here, right? These are the rocks. So as you can see, there's like lots of stuff here. There's a waterfall over there. Like there, you can hear it, I think. If not, well, too bad. And then here is just like a river with like stones, which I feel like is pretty nice. But over there is just plain grass, so I won't go there. It's kind of boring. Let's go this way towards the waterfall. You know, I've actually been here at Vandusen for like a couple of times already. It's pretty nice. And like most of the flowers here I already know a lot about. Alright, so we're going into the water section now. Wow. So here's the water section.
Said that at some point somebody called.
I can't get out.
So we got the pond here, and then we also got some, I think it's geese, yeah, over there. Yeah, and then here is just the path. A very well. Oh, there's the geese right there. See, it's pretty cool. Yeah, and we'll go to the other side and see what it's like over there. So yeah, oh, there's like flamingo statues over there too, right here. Yeah, but there's a lot of paths here for some reason, and we will continue on this path as I'm continuing my vlog. So you got flowers over there too, for the paths. Let's go on the path here. Got different types of plants on each side. Ooh, this is so big, bro. I remember this is some weird Italian name for these plants. Okay, we got a pretty nice plant there. Now we're on the opposite side of the side I just showed you. Pretty fire, you know. So when I'm like doing these, you know, like, oh yeah, giant redwoods is over there, and then the southern hemisphere is over there. Oh, there's a squirrel over there. All right, so here we're going into the big redwood trees area. So there's like trees here, and then I think there's a statue there. I don't know what it means, but yeah, these are some big redwood trees. This is the other side of the fountain, the pond, and I don't think there's not much here, if I'm being honest. So I might just go back to the other side and just see what it's like, you know. So let's explore the other side of Vandusen Garden. So most of these plants here are like usually like seasonal, so come from the spring or the summer. But some of them are all year round. Oh, there's some people in front. I'm not social type of person. Hold up.
If you were near a pond like this anywhere else in the then the turtles would talk like
Ooh, they're doing like a picture. Anyways. Alright, so here we've entered another area of the Vandusen Garden. So it's mostly a path, and there's different types of flowers here. Adult meat, interesting. Okay. Yeah, and then if we keep going, yeah, it's basically like lots of lake area, and then if you see, there's like different types of signs here. So this one says sedge family. So type of plant for that. And then yeah, there's like a walking area over there, you know. So yeah, this part is like the paths area. Oh, this moss. So this type of moss, I think I've seen it before. I've seen it on mountains too. It's I don't know what kind of moss it is. It's like either hedge born or something, but it's like really soft moss that I sometimes use for my English projects about indigenous culture. Yeah. Ooh, careful there, buddy. Yeah, and then here we have different types of flowers. Oh, here there's like the maps here. So here, 135 million years of flowers. So I guess the flowers here are pretty old. It just talks about how the hummingbird pollinates all of these. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. There's like different types of these all around Vandusen Garden, and here we are back to the home base. So yeah, this is the main lodge. So hub. You know, just basically went around the entire thing except for the maze part, which it's kind of far away. My video is supposed to be like 5 to 10 minutes long. It's already been like 9 minutes now. So yeah, here let me show you guys the garden map. So we are here, and then we basically just went around the entire Cypress Pound, and then here, pretty sure, yeah, the lake right here. Okay, and there's like a whole other section. So yeah, if we have more time, I would have shown you guys it, but I don't think we have time. So this is Vandusen Garden. Okay, and yeah, I'll close this off with a beautiful landscape of the pond right here. Looks pretty nice, right? Yeah, that will be the end of my vlog. This is Vandusen Garden at Oak Street in Vancouver. And this is me, Will Zoo, closing off. And yeah, thanks for watching, man.